just like to make it clear, no one was promised a bonus this quarter. We've been transparent about the performance targets from the start, and quite frankly, there is no budget for any incentives. And if anyone else says otherwise, well then I'd like to see the proof. But what if you had that proof because you secretly recorded this meeting last month when the same boss promised everyone a bonus if targets were met? Colleagues, friends, thank you so much for sparing me a few minutes this morning out of your very busy schedule. As you can see, we are all so impressed with how hard all of you have worked recently. And if this continues, I am so pleased to inform you all that you will be receiving a bonus in an upcoming pay packet. Is it legal to use that recording to protect yourself? Let's find out what the law says and share some real cases where people got fined, sued, or even jailed. The short answer is yes, it's legal if you're recording a conversation you're part of and keeping it for personal use. This is backed by the Regulation of Investigatory Powers Act 2000, RIPA. You don't need consent to record as long as it's for yourself. For example, you're on the phone with a scammer and hit record. Totally legal. Hello?
Hello? Mr. George Walsh.
Yeah, hi, hello, who am I speaking to?
My name is Sean Cammer. I'm calling from National Bank.
It's time to start recording.
Before I proceed, I just have one quick question. I've been trying to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's called something like Casecraft.ai. Could you tell me how to do that properly? I don't want to miss any legal content.
It's as simple as pretending to be from National Bank. Just go to YouTube, type Casecraft.ai in the search bar. No weird characters, no Nigerian princes involved. Click on the channel. It has actual legal content, not fake refund scams. Then hit subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon, you know, the one that rings legally, not metaphorically when MI5 shows up at your door. Here's where things go wrong when you share the recording without consent. This can violate Data Protection Act 2018, UK GDPR, and Article 8 of the Human Rights Act of 1998, the right to privacy. In one real case, a UK employee recorded colleagues and shared it. They were fired and sued for breach of privacy and trust. But what if someone secretly records you? If they keep it private, that's legal. But if they publish it or use it to damage your reputation, they could face a civil lawsuit. A person can sue for misuse of private information under case law, like Campbell versus MGN Ltd 2004. In fact, one man sued a woman in 2023 after she posted a secretly recorded private argument to TikTok. He won damages for emotional distress. Here's a shocking case. R versus Wilkins 2010. A man secretly recorded intimate acts with his partner without telling her. He was convicted under the Sexual Offences Act 2003 for voyeurism and sentenced to 8 months in prison. Bottom line, even if you press record, you could still be committing a serious crime. Businesses can get fined too. It's not just individuals. In 2022, a UK business was fined £10,000 for recording customer calls without telling them. That violated GDPR and the Privacy and Electronic Communications Regulations, PECR. So, can you legally record a conversation in the UK? Yes, but misuse that recording and you might end up in court or worse. What's legal? Recording your own conversations for personal use. Using the recording in court if lawfully obtained. What's illegal? Recording others secretly without being involved. Sharing or publishing without consent. Recording private activities, for example, in bedrooms, bathrooms. Have you ever recorded someone to protect yourself? What did you do when someone recorded you without consent? Leave your stories in the comments below. Bye!